Hi friends, if I were to tell you that you could manifest your wishes in just 20 seconds, surely you'd raise an eyebrow and think, here we go again, another claim from the vast sea of videos and articles promising the same thing. And you would be absolutely right, my friends. Doubt is a natural response to such grand promises. But in this exceptionally captivating video, I'm about to unravel the mystery behind manifesting in record time. I'll not only reveal why it's achievable, but also provide you with the exact method to make it a reality. The best part? It won't take hours upon hours of your precious time. Just a mere 10 minutes is all it'll require. So, my friends, fasten your seatbelts and prepare to embark on a mind-bending journey as we uncover the secrets to swift manifestation. Get ready to challenge everything you thought you knew about the manifestation process. Here's the catch. This video isn't just another false promise. It's not here to waste your time with empty claims. We're diving deep into the core of manifestation, unveiling groundbreaking insights that will leave you in awe and eager to learn more. So, set aside any preconceived notions or skepticism, for what awaits you is an exploration of the extraordinary. Prepare to have your belief shaken and your eyes open to the astonishing possibilities that lie within your grasp. Trust me when I say this. Investing these few minutes of your life in watching this video will be worth every second. So, stay tuned till the very end, my friends, and discover the secrets to manifesting your desires in a fraction of the time it usually takes. Don't miss out on any of the incredible insights to come. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay connected and receive more mind-blowing content that will revolutionize the way you approach manifestation. All right. Your manifestation breakthrough awaits, my friends. Let's dive right in. Neville Goddard was a prominent teacher in the field of manifestation and the power of the mind. His teachings underscore the significance of cultivating a mindful, positive mindset right from the moment we wake up each morning. Why is this emphasis placed on the morning? Well, the thoughts and emotions we entertain at the start of our day tend to set the tone for the rest of it. By intentionally directing our thoughts towards positivity and mindfulness, we lay a solid foundation for creating a fulfilling and successful day. Negative thoughts, my friends, carry immense power when it comes to attracting similar circumstances and experiences throughout our day. This can be explained by the well-known concept of the law of attraction, which suggests that like attracts like. When we dwell on negative thoughts or entertain a pessimistic mindset, we unwittingly send out vibrations that align with those negative circumstances, thus attracting more of them. In contrast, when we consciously choose to have a positive and intentional mindset, we shift the trajectory of the day in our favor. By starting each morning with intention and purpose, we unleash the power of positive thinking and set in motion a cycle of attracting positive circumstances, opportunities, and experiences. This, my friends, is the essence of conscious creation and manifestation. When we greet the day with a mindful, positive mindset, we align ourselves with possibilities instead of limitations. We create a fertile ground for inspiration, creativity, and open-mindedness. By focusing on our intentions for the day and setting clear goals, we infuse our actions with purpose and make intentional choices that align with our desires. Positive affirmations, my friends, have the power to influence our thinking patterns and rewire our minds for success. This phenomenon can be explained through a variety of scientific principles and concepts, such as neuroplasticity, self-fulfilling prophecies, and the reticular activating system. Firstly, let's explore the concept of neuroplasticity. Our brain possesses a remarkable ability to adapt and change, and this is what neuroplasticity refers to. It is the brain's capacity to form new neural connections and reorganize existing ones. When we repeat positive affirmations, we activate specific neural pathways associated with those affirmations. Over time, these neural connections strengthen, and our brain tends to favor these positive thoughts, helping us to adopt a more positive mindset. Furthermore, positive affirmations can trigger the powerful influence of self-fulfilling prophecies. As humans, we have a natural tendency to act in ways that align with our beliefs and expectations. When we consistently affirm positive statements, we program our subconscious mind to accept and internalize these beliefs. Consequently, our behaviors and actions align with these positive beliefs, leading to a greater likelihood of achieving our desired outcomes. Another fascinating scientific principle at play is the reticular activating system, RAS. The RAS, located in the brainstem, acts as a filter for the overwhelming amount of information our brain receives. It selectively focuses our attention on what is deemed important or relevant based on our beliefs and goals. By repeating positive affirmations, we effectively instruct our RAS to seek out evidence and opportunities that align with our affirmations. This leads to an increased awareness of positive experiences and opportunities that can contribute to the manifestation of our desires. Moreover, positive affirmations can impact the release of neurotransmitters in the brain, such as dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins. These chemicals play a crucial role in regulating our mood, motivation, and overall well-being. When we engage in positive self-talk through affirmations, it triggers the release of these feel-good neurotransmitters, promoting a more positive mindset and emotional state. Friends, another amazing affirmations technique is the bedtime affirmation exercise. This is a simple yet powerful manifestation technique that doesn't require a lot of time. To practice this exercise, you can select an affirmation, a positive statement that reflects what you want to manifest in your life, and write it down on a sticky note before you go to bed. Upon waking up each day, remind yourself of the affirmation by reading it aloud or silently, reinforcing its message and intention. Positive affirmations have the power to transform your life in big ways. They work on the principle that thoughts and emotions carry energy vibrations, and by aligning your thoughts with positive affirmations, you emit a high vibration energy output. This energy, in turn, attracts opportunities, circumstances, and experiences that resonate with that positive energy, thus amplifying your chances of manifesting your desires. By regularly practicing the bedtime affirmation exercise, you can cultivate a healthy level of productivity while focusing on your long-term goals. You also shift your mindset away from feelings of lack or anxiety about upcoming events or tasks and proactively set the tone for your day, directing your energy towards positive possibilities and opening yourself up to an abundance of opportunities. Furthermore, maintaining mindfulness about your intentions and feelings plays a crucial role in achieving desired outcomes. By acknowledging and being aware of your intentions, you can gain clarity on what you truly want to manifest. At the same time, being mindful of your feelings allows you to recognize when more work needs to be done to align your thoughts and emotions with your desired outcomes. This mindfulness helps you navigate and adapt to various situations, both big and small, while fostering present fulfillment and paving the way for future success. In just 20 seconds a day, the bedtime affirmation exercise and the practice of mindfulness can significantly contribute to an empowered and positive mindset, allowing you to manifest your dreams and create a fulfilling and successful life. Here we conclude this video. Thank you for joining us in this enlightening exploration of using positive affirmations to attract desired outcomes. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable insights and practical techniques to incorporate affirmations into your daily life. Remember, my friends, the power of your thoughts and words is truly transformative. By consciously choosing positive affirmations and aligning your mindset with your goals, you can create a powerful magnetic force that draws your desired outcomes towards you. Now, it's time to go out there and manifest your desires. Believe in yourself, stay focused, and keep affirming the greatness within you. You have the power to create the life you truly desire. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep affirming and attracting those desired outcomes. Wishing you abundance and success in all areas of your life.